Hey guys, I wanted to do a part two on the Wiersbe Bible commentary. Mostly because I feel like I didn't get to say as much as I wanted to, and I feel like I forgot some things. I told you guys how great it is, and it is my favorite commentary. But I wanted to speak more about the length of the commentary. And also, I want to talk about a couple myths. And I'm not 100% sure on these, but I'm very, very close. So I've obviously, I've purchased this and given out this commentary to a lot of my family members, a couple friends. And so I got them like the I think it's like the 5-volume set. And stuff like that. And I went through this commentary. I don't know. No, you can't quote me because I don't know about the old. I have the Old Testament Warren Wiersbe commentary, but I just didn't check it. But I went through and looked at a decent amount of notes in here to see if it's the same as the 5-volume or 6-volume, whatever it is. And everything was the same. I mean, it's identical to that 6-volume, because I've heard that it may be a little bit abridged, and I don't feel like at least the New Testament is. Maybe the Old Testament is somewhat abridged, I'm not sure, but I'm very close to positive, like 99% positive, that the New Testament is not abridged. Now, if it is abridged, I would love for you guys to let me know. Maybe it's abridged in certain books, but I looked at like a decent amount of books, random, and I just looked them up random, and I found out that it's the same as the complete B series that you can find in the 5 or 6-volume set, whatever that is. So you don't have to worry about this being abridged. I was kind of worried about that because I love his writing so much that I wanted to have the full writing. So I purchased the all the volumes, and I'm gonna give them out to family members in a set. So I just checked them. So first of all, I wanted to get that out of the way. Secondly, I wanted to explain the length of the books compared to regular commentaries, because I find that very interesting. And maybe you guys do, maybe you don't, but most likely if you're watching this, you do. Okay, so a little bit of math. I'm so bad at math. I had to take a math class as my last gen ed a little bit ago, and I got a C. Terrible at math. Anyway, so I did a little bit of nerd research, and I literally took the average numbers of lines here, like the average number that would be in each line of text here. I don't remember, it was like 9 or 10, maybe 11. So I took the average, and then I counted each line on here, and then I multiplied it by 2. So it's not exact, but it's pretty close. So I took like 1 page of text. So I took 1 page, and then I got a number. I don't remember what that number was, because I just have estimates here, and I'll show you these numbers real quick. So, but then I took like a regular commentary like this. This is an individual commentary on James. Most of you guys, if you're watching this video, you probably know this is an IVP James commentary. Great commentary, by the way. Absolutely amazing. I just got these, and they are a lot like the NIV application commentaries. You've seen those reviews. Well, that is completely true, and I highly recommend these. But anyways, this review is not about these. But just the length of this. So let's look at the length, just like what 1 page looks like. So you can see the 1 page is completely different. I mean, there's just a very few words on a regular commentary page. And then, so the total length of this, James is I think it's 201. There's 199. I'm just holding the camera, but it's about 201 pages in this James book. So this is an individual commentary. We have to expect that it's somewhat lengthy, even though we know that there's individual commentaries that are massive. So I did some math, and what I found out that for this Warren Wiersbe, if you guys want to figure out how much a book of the Bible is compared to a normal commentary like these, or like maybe a MacArthur, or I think I have a Tyndale right here. They're about relatively the same size. It's 2.6. So like for every page, for every one of these pages, it would equal 2.6 pages of one of these. So I know I kind of nerded out here, but I just love the length. I love the length of the commentary in the Warren Wiersbe, because it's like brief, but it's still just enough. I mean, it's pretty lengthy. Like I told you, I did a study. I went all the way through Acts, and it ended up being 87 pages. So 87 times 2.6, whatever that equals, is a lot of. It's a pretty lengthy commentary. So for this commentary is 100 in James. I'm going through James right now. It's 106.6 pages if it was in a regular commentary like this. And I mean, that makes sense. If you guys know, the B series came out originally in paperback. They come out in a size like this, but I didn't purchase those, and those came out before I was studying the Bible, and probably when I was a lot younger. So yeah, this James book that's 41 pages comes out to 106. So it's like just about half of this James commentary. So I mean, like I think it's just the perfect amount. It's long, but it's not like, it's not like I don't know, like a Douglas Moo's Romans, or something like that, or I don't know. I can't think of any other authors off the top of my head, but I mean, it's not a brick, so it's just really the perfect size. So I wanted to let you guys know about that. If you guys were thinking maybe this is abridged, because I can't stand abridged commentaries. I don't understand the point of them. If you're gonna give me the thing, I want to buy the whole thing. I want to study the Bible in its fullest. I don't want to get the abridged version. So yeah, guys, that's part 2. I hope I didn't miss anything else. Hopefully I won't have to do a part 3 on the Warren Wiersbe commentary. But just highly recommend it once again. Hope you guys have a blessed night. Bye.